Welcome to the ReferenceGlobe Faculty Help video series. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of adding and managing students in a course using the ReferenceGlobe platform. You can add students in two ways. Option 1. Add from the student list. Step 1. Log into the ReferenceGlobe platform and navigate to your respective course. Step 2. Click on the Candidates tab within the course. Step 3. Click the Add Candidates button. Step 4. Select the department and click Search to fetch the list of students. Alternatively, you can search by hall ticket number range. To do this, check the box, select the department, enter the starting and ending hall ticket numbers and click Search. Step 5. Select the students you want to add and click Submit. Step 6. Click View Candidates to verify the added students. Option 2. Bulk upload of student data. Step 1. Click on the Bulk Upload button. Step 2. Download the Excel template provided. Remove the sample data, fill in your student details such as hall ticket number, department, and pass out here. Save the file on your device. Step 4. Select your completed file and click on Upload. Step 5. Click on View Candidates to review the uploaded list. Students will be shown year-wise. To remove a student from the course, click the Delete button next to the student's name to remove them from the course. Congratulations! You've now learned how to add, manage, and delete students in a course using the ReferenceGlobe platform.